let's check out the display setup on the 2026 Palisade. Alright, so now to go to your display setup, we're gonna go over here into setup, display. These are the features that you have under display. So you have the brightness, you can control the brightness right over here or automatically adjust brightness. You also have your camera settings, so you can adjust all of this as well. We're gonna go back. You also have the blue light filter. So the blue light filter is gonna adjust the warmth on the display, so it can reduce the fatigue on your eye. So you have the option over here to set it up into a specific time, and then you're gonna click over here, and then you're gonna choose a time that you want the blue light to be on. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.